This is a surprise life. Why my eyes are looking so big? I need to change. Uh, um, yes. Why my eyes are looking so big? I have to wait because I know it's raining outside. It was an amazing climate today. I don't know how to change. Oh, people are coming. Hi. The first one is Farid Azim. Hi. This is a surprise life. I thought I was getting bored and I thought of coming live and talking to you, and because everyone is at home, so I know that there will be so many people coming. Oh my god, so many. Where are you from? I am from Hyderabad, dear. Ramke. నేను హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి నాకు తెలుసు there are so many people who are Telugu. Mr. NR, how are you? You can see me how I am. I'm amazing. Hi Ramkrishna, hi. Hi. But my face is looking so big here. I don't know why. I guess I need to change some kind of filter or something. I'm not able to do it here. How are you guys doing? There are only 160 people. Shall I wait for some time to people to come? I just normally work live. There are some guys writing in Tamil, I think. I love you, Santosh is writing, I love you. I love you guys. I love you so much because hello, people who are following me on hello, they are so amazing because the response I'm getting I'm telling it every time that the response I'm getting it from hello, so amazing. People are messaging me every day. I'm reading every messages, and yeah. Yeah. Next project. Actually, I'm doing a web series right now. The shooting is yet to start because of the lockdown, and yeah, I did not sign any movie yet. I'm good, Shah. How are you? I hope you all are doing good and staying home and taking proper precautions. And your teeth is very nice. Thank you. I have bunny teeth. This one, see. You are looking so beautiful. Thank you. Weekend special. Gorgeous. No, there is no weekend. We're staying at home. I'm not feeling like today is a weekend or tomorrow. It's not like a special day to like nowadays. Every day is a weekend. Every day is a weekdays. I'm good, Rohan. How are you? Nice name. Anil, this I cannot, నాకు తెలుగు వచ్చు, but I cannot read Telugu. So kindly write in English. Thank you, Gopi. I think everyone should smile. Everyone look good when they smile. I'm dear, good dear. Kota. Hi. హాయ్ అండి, నేను చాలా బాగున్నారు. మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? షల్ ఐ open? You guys can join me right now. Let's talk. I wanted to talk to you guys, so let's talk. See, I just told last time that I will come live and talk to you guys, and I just wanted, because last time నేను వచ్చినప్పుడు నాకు చాలా మంది చెప్పారు that you are not looking good, something like that. Listen, because last time I don't think that and something about my eyebrows or something, someone messaged like you are not going to parlor or something like that. Someone messaged, I mean something, and like thing is, this is a lockdown. I don't want to take risk and go somewhere and do for a temporary happiness. I don't want to screw my life. I don't want to put my life in risk. So yeah, if at all you guys are commenting on that, then it's completely okay for me, because my life is more important than anyone else. So I want you to guys also take care. It doesn't matter if at all you guys are not looking good for 1-2 months. That's completely okay. Don't take risk and go out. Kesha, where are you proper? I'm in Hyderabad, and I am basically from Odisha. Yeah, but you know, Vizag lo MBA chesanu, so yeah. నాకు తెలుగు, I don't know how to read Telugu, so kindly write in English. There are 1.25k. Oh my god, not even like 5 minutes, like 1.2k. So amazing people here. Two people join. Let's talk to them. I'm not able to open it. Okay. Ramakrishna, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Like, why are you putting crying emojis? I'm not able to read your name, but the compliment you have given is thank you so much. My eyes are very nice. Thank you so much. Suddenly, so I'm telling again and again, kindly write in English. I'm not able to read. Okay, I am Vijayawada. Keshav is writing. Okay, I'm in Vijayawada. I'm music teacher. I'm classical music in diploma and TTC. Oh my, and Purohit. Oh my God, so talented. Nice to know that there are so many talented people. I wish you good luck, and I hope you'll sing me someday and send me. Sing someday and send me. You can send me on Instagram. You can go to Athithi Das official, and you can send me your song. It will be nice if I can hear your voice. Bapi Kundu, you are looking beautiful. Thank you. Have after 5 minutes. आप खा लो. Okay. विजयवाड़ा से कहाँ से हो आप? जी नहीं, मैं विजयवाड़ा से नहीं हूँ. जिन्होंने हमें लिखा था वो విజయవాడ से हैं. ప్లీజ్ టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే చాలా మంది ఇక్కడ వేరే వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. సో నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే అందరికి అర్థం కాదు. సో నేను బేసిక్ నార్మలీ నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. గోపి ప్లీజ్ సింగ్ ఎ సాంగ్ డియర్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎ సింగర్, ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హారిబుల్ సింగర్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ. Excuse me. Suddenly I thought of coming live because when I get bored I want to talk to you guys, so I came live here. I am coming live, I guess. Yesterday also I came live. No, day before yesterday I came live. Your dress is very nice. Thank you. I just posted today what I am wearing. So yeah. Hi Sai Kumar. Hi. A big hi. Gopi, nice tattoo. Thank you. There are 3,000 people. Oh my god. Almost. Oh. What to talk, like as I said, be at home. Every time I'm telling you guys, be at home. And tomorrow is Surya Grahan. So at what time? 9 నుంచి 3 o'clock వరకు బయటికి don't go out. It's not good. పిల్లలకి చెప్పండి టు నాట్ టు డోంట్ సెండ్ దెమ్ అవుట్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ గుడ్. I'm good, sir. There is some network problem here, I guess, because I'm getting some notification here that my network is not stable. Live broadcast network is unstable. Nice the way you talk. Thank you so much. అందుకే మీతో మాట్లాడడానికి వచ్చా. Gopi, thank you, Gopi. Thank you for the compliment. Today I don't want to talk on any topic today. I will come again, like regularly I'm coming live on Hello. So I'll come live again and I'll talk to you. Today I just came to read all your messages, what you guys doing. Just let me know what you guys doing, how you spending your time. Did you have, I guess the time is 10:40 and I hope you guys all you had your dinner. I did not have still. I'm hungry, super duper hungry. I will have after this live. My food is waiting for me. I have a network issues, I think, because I'm suddenly everyone, it's like so many messages I'm getting, and suddenly like, తిన్నారా మేడం? తినలేదు, మీ చాలా ఆకలిస్తుంది, food is waiting, తినలేదు. I thought of coming live and talk to you first, then I will have my dinner. Please talk in Hindi. People are telling me to talk in Telugu. People are telling me, asking me to talk in Hindi. People, so which language I should talk? So I thought of talking in English because everyone should understand, right? So ठीक है, हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे कुछ टाइम. क्या बात करूं बताओ? कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? R.I.P. Sushant Singh. Yeah, that's a bad thing. I mean, he was one of a great actor. I loved his film Dhoni and Chichore recently, which was released, and it's a bad thing. I used to love his dance. The way from the time like he was in Pavitra Rishta, that from that time I used to like Ankita and Sushant. Both they were my. I mean, then they came to Nachvaliye and they were my favorite from the time of Pavitra Rishta. That couple was my favorite, and it is very heartbreaking that I cannot see him in future in films. That made me like sad. Chalo then guys, my food is waiting. I am hungry. No, I did not have my food. I hope you all had your food. I will have it. I'll have it now. So, keep in touch, and you can message me on hello, or you can message me on Instagram. I am reading all your messages. So beautiful things you guys are writing.